विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, मागील लेक्चरमध्ये तुम्ही आउटब्रीडिंग डिव्हाइसेस अभ्यासलेले. In this lecture, you have to study the pollen-pistil interaction. Pollen-pistil interaction takes place after pollination. When that pollen grains falls on the receptive stigma. Various events from the pollination up to the complete development of the male gametophyte and to reach that pollen tube in the embryo sac or in the ovule for fertilization, and all these events are known as pollen-pistil interactions. During these, it shows the interactions between pistil and pollen grain. Pistil, which includes ovary, style and stigma. Pollen grain firstly falls on the stigma, and that pollen grain can be recognized by the certain chemical present in the stigma. That stigma recognize that pollen grain, either self or non-self, or pollen grains of the same species or any other species. Pollen grain of the same species are identified clearly by the chemical present in the stigma, and that stigma allows the further development of the pollen grain, germination of the pollen grain, growth of the pollen tube up to the ovule. But any other pollen grain falls on the stigma from any other species. Such pollen grain also identified by the stigma as a non-self, and such non-self pollen grain is always discarded by that stigma or rejected by the stigma, and which do not show the further development or germination. The pollen grain of the same species can easily germinate on the stigma by receiving the sugary secretion, and this sugary secretion can bring out the germination of the pollen grain, and this pollen tube grows through the stylar canal or intercellular spaces in the style and reach up to the ovule and enters in the ovule through the micropyle, and process of the fertilization takes place. Thus, there is a rejection of the any other pollen grain and acceptance of the pollen grains of the same species or flowers of the same plant is related with the pollen-pistil interactions. And these pollen-pistil interactions are always essential for the perfect development of the male gametophyte, by which male gametes can be reached up to the female gamete present in embryo sac. And thus, as the pollen tube reach in the embryo sac, then next process, that is double fertilization in angiospermic plants, can take place. Then in the next lecture, how the double fertilization takes place in angiospermic plants.